Totinos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a party pizza in the microwave. So what you're going to want to do first is go to your freezer, open it. As you see, I already did that. You're going to want to grab this party pizza. See this party pizza? Alright, so you're going to want to shut your freezer now. You don't want to waste power. Parents are really kind of bitchy about the energy bill, you know. What can you do? Alright, so look at these instructions. It clearly says no microwave ovens. Got it? Yeah, you see. What you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to look at yourself and say, fuck the instructions. Like, then you're going to want to open the party pizza like that. Then you're going to want to go over to your cabinet, wherever you like hold your plates. I hold mine in this one right by my sink to the right. Yeah, so that's where my plates are. And you're gonna wanna just get it out of the bag like that. And you open your microwave just like this. Mine's got the little button right there. Yours could have the handle, but I don't know. Everyone's is different. You're gonna wanna stick it in the microwave. You're gonna wanna make sure the pizza's not on it like too far over here, you know, like don't put it on like a handicap. Come on. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is clear this because there's 41 seconds on. I don't know if you saw that before. But I'm gonna put it in for 4 minutes. And then we wait. Alright, half a minute's down. We got 3 minutes and 30 seconds left right now. And you're funny if you really think I'm just gonna sit here awkwardly the whole time. You know what? This is in the microwave. You can usually do something productive, like do the dishes, but I'm not really about that life right now. So I'm gonna get me a drink of water. Water is really healthy. Like, my dad always tells me, if you're sick at all, drink some water and bam, like that. It's good again. Here you see my brother brought home spicy buffalo and habanero ranch from his work. That's awesome. And we got milk. You know what I realized? So many people are lactose intolerant. So many. It's because we're not baby cows, obviously. Alright, so you see this? 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Alright, at 2 minutes and 10 seconds, you're gonna wanna press the button and take the good old pizza out. And I know it doesn't look done, but it's pretty warm. Like, it's warm enough. Not to eat, obviously. Like, that'd be gross, dude. And you're gonna want to find a pizza cutter. Right here, a pizza cutter. You're gonna want to just cut right down the middle, like so. Yeah, like so. Bam, like so. And you're gonna grab them. And you may or may not have to go through and slice it a couple times. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Alright, this is going great. So, you're going to want to rotate them. So this, whatever the outside corner was, you're going to want that to be the inside corner. Like that. Sure. You're going to Then you're gonna slice these all again Don't fuck up like I just did. You saw that. I know you did. Don't worry. And then flip this one too. And just give this one a little 360 rotate. Woo! After that, we're gonna walk on back on over to the good old handy dandy microwave. And we're just gonna continue the 2 minutes and 10 seconds it had left. I like to charge my phone while I'm waiting. Who knows? Why do we drink water? Think about it. Not too hard though. So as you see here though, the pizza's cooking. I'll let you watch that for another minute and a half. Looks to me as if it's going real good. Like the cheese is melting perfectly. Can you see that? I can see it. So, yeah, you should be able to see it. But you're getting a nice little glaze on top of the cheese. You can see it's bubbling a little bit. At about 5 seconds here. 2, 1. Never let that second beep go. Never ever. And bam, just like that. All the way cooked through. Not a cold spot on there. It is a little bit softer than when you would cook it in like the oven or something. But it's a party pizza. Come on, like they're always good. So